You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply.
Okay, so hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right on into it. Y'all already know how I like to do my hair tutorials. So I'm doing the double space buns on my hair. I'm gonna do the simple way. I normally would do Marley hair, but I'm doing a a 1-pack combo that I found in my local beauty supply store. Right now I'm taking my argan oil, put it in my hair, argan leave-in conditioner stuff. That stuff is really good for my scalp because it keeps my scalp from getting scaly and dry, and you know, stops the sores from coming. It just does it for mine. And I still use my concoction that I use to moisturize my scalp. So that, along with that, is bomb.com. And I'm starting using those canvas beauty drops, and I'm just trying to see if that's going to help those thinning parts that I have still in my hair, along with my edges. So that's what you see me doing here. Now I'm taking a comb and I'm just starting to do a part. This part is not going to be perfect. You could do your part perfect. I don't do mine perfect because, one, I can't do a perfect part, and two, my space buns were big enough to cover it up so you couldn't see whether or not they were going to be, the part was going to be straight. Now you already know when it comes to you doing like any sleek hairstyle with 4C hair, you need to go through the crevices of your hair. So I take my edge control. I no longer use the edge booster because it's no longer sold in my beauty supply store, so I don't know why. So now they sell the edge effect, the magic edge effect edge control. When I tell y'all it's bomb.com, it is bomb.com. My mother-in-law asked me, did I have a perm after she saw me with that edge control? Like, no, baby, that's just that magic edge control, baby. And it works like it works. Like, I don't even want any more edge control. You should really consider, if you really need some good edge control for some 4C hair, that one is bomb. Now I'm just taking a hair bow wrapper and placing the sections that I section off, the two little sides that I section off right there, and putting them in a hair bow wrapper and creating me some onion tails. By the time I'm finished doing this section, I'm gonna be looking like I got two bull horns on my head, because that's exactly what that's exactly what it's gonna be looking like. Now I take my time with this because I want to make sure I get that hair tight enough for the bow wrapper to grip on it and give me some security. So I take my time when I'm putting those two parts into those onion tails that I'm going for, because I really be wanting to be secure. You know, when your hair is too short, sometimes it doesn't give you the security you need if you're doing like a ponytail or something like that. So that's why I make sure that I am doing I'm making sure that thing is going to be secure. Those bow wrappers are going to be secure, because I don't want nobody to come up and snatch my damn ponytail off, and you see my onion tail, because my onion tail ain't holding on, it ain't securing me for dear life. So I have to make sure that it's going to be securing me for dear life. Okay. Now you see, they don't look as straight, but they're going to give the illusion that they are parted straight. So I wasn't worried about that. And baby, why do I always try to create me some baby hairs? I do not know. I'm always trying to create me some baby hairs, or some edges, or whatever you want to call it, some sleek looking edges. And baby girl, Kai, why you keep doing that to yourself? You played yourself. That's what I be doing. I be playing myself. And y'all, I promise y'all, I still literally would take my time just to make sure that they at least look like I tried to giving myself the illusion, because it just be fooling me, giving myself the illusion of some baby hairs. Because ooh girl, y'all ain't gotta tell me, I know they a mess, but you know, it's not gonna look as bad when I put those buns on it. I promise you, it's not gonna look as bad when I put those buns on it. anything to make me feel good. Now I'm taking some more edge control just to sleek up the back of my hair, because you know how your kitchen don't want to act right, girl. They never want to act right, but I got mine good good and tight. Now I took my head wrap, gonna leave it on my head because I'm pressed for time today. So I just left that on for about 15 minutes, honey, and the edge control dried down to my liking well enough for what I needed it for. Now those buns are a two bag bun that I got from my local beauty supply store. They came two in a bag and they were only $10. So I was like, you know what? Perfect. I was pressed for time, so this was perfect. Perfect. I don't know the name of them, but I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna put it down in the description box like I always do, so you guys can know exactly what brand of hair that I use. But that's basically it. That's basically how I do this space bun. This is like the easiest hairstyle that I always do. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys and see you in the next video. Bye.
I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter, best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.